Hi guys, this is Anjali bringing you reading for Cancer today, and this is about a general. This is a general reading for August, and let's get into your readings. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do with the energy check-in first. Then we'll go with the unicorn messages, and then the tarot. Okay, and let's see what are the messages for Cancer. And before doing this video, a huge shout out to my brother who's celebrating his birthday today, July 10th. So let's start the reading. Okay, messages for Cancer for August. What are the messages for Cancer for August? Messages for Cancer for August. Okay, we have got the thinking man. Somebody is putting a lot of thoughts into manifestation. I really feel that somebody is manifesting something, which means that somebody is putting a lot of time into thoughts, into the thought process. Okay, let's see messages for Cancer, please. Messages for Cancer. What are the messages for Cancer? Messages for Cancer. Messages for Cancer, please. Messages for Cancer. What are the messages for Cancer? Messages for Cancer, please. What are the messages for Cancer, please? Okay. Okay, we have got patience, which means that somebody is being patient, or this is the time to be patient, because I really feel that your manifestation is working. There is a broken heart here, which means that there's some kind of sadness or breakup happened in your life, or you are still mending your heart. There's envy also. There's some kind of influence of thinking about somebody, or you feel that somebody has better things than you, which also means that you're not looking into your life properly. There's no clarity in your thoughts. You need to first look into your surroundings, your environment, and your situation. Then just look into others' life. You might never know what they have gone through. All right. So let's see. Those are the messages for you for August. Energy messages for August. Let's see what are the unicorn oracle messages for Cancer. Unicorn oracle messages for Cancer. Unicorn oracle messages for Cancer, please. What are the unicorn oracle messages for Cancer? What are the messages for Cancer? Messages for Cancer, please. If I don't get messages from another shuffle, I'll start picking the cards random. Okay. Messages for Cancer. Alright, let's see. Laughter. There's happiness around you. Your unicorns are around you. And it means that you attract what you seek. Friend. The next card is birth. There's a situation, new beginnings here. It might be birth of a child or a new situation here. Okay. Archangel Gabriel calling the pure white light. This calls in for intervention. This calls for peace. This calls for you to look things in a more peaceful way, okay, or pure way, in a purity of state. Then the next is manifestation. I told you there is manifestation coming because you are putting some kind of thoughts, and there is manifestation coming towards you. Your manifestation is coming towards you. Focus on a vision beyond yourself, and your unicorn will help you, which means that. Okay guys, let's start your tarot right now. Let's see what's your current energy. What's the energy right now? Okay, the present energy is 10 of Swords, which means that there is some kind of ending here. Okay, there is some kind of ending which has happened. Why is the 10 of Swords here? Okay, this means that there's some kind of work here. You might be ending a contract or starting on another, or you might be thinking about putting an end to some kind of work related situation here. Why is the 3 of Pentacles there? Because definitely you have options. So you are ending a previous offer and looking for new opportunities here. Alright, now what's crossing your current situation is 8 of Pentacles, which means that you need to have that patience for let things grow and develop in its own pace. So you are taking your time, you are leaving it behind, you are working on things in your own way, and make it better at all aspects, right? Now, why is it an Eight of Pentacles here? Because you're balancing it. There is temperance here, bringing some kind of balance and clarity into the current energy here. I really feel that you are thinking about two options here. You might have multiple options, but I think that you're balancing two options here. You might be comparing the previous job and the new one currently, alright? But this is also a card of Sagittarius, if that means anything to you, okay? Now, why is it temperance here? There is somebody coming in to give you an offer. This might be fast moving energy which is coming towards you, or this even might be a person bringing some kind of clarity into the situation. This is like Curious Gemini Libra energy here, okay? Now, what's beneath you? What's beneath you is the King of Wands. This also speaks about somebody who's very stable and who's very passionate about what he's doing, or this is about an offer you're really passionate about and you really feel like you need that offer here. Why is the King of Wands here? Definitely moving forward. There is Chariot here, bringing some kind of movement into the situation. Let's see what does the movement talk about. Why is the Chariot here? Because there is a completion here. So you're moving towards completion. So this thing, this offer, this opportunity is bringing some kind of clarity and movement towards an ending of a situation, ending of your work, which means that there is a restart button here, which means that you are moving towards something very new and which is going to help you, grow. Now, what's above you? Oh, wow. Three of Swords. We have got the broken heart here again. You might be breaking somebody's heart, or you are dealing with a broken heart or a pain of a situation. This can also mean that you are letting go of a situation which you have been holding on for too much and which is like pulling you back and giving you that kind of a sadness or a pain. Okay, for some people, I really feel that there's some kind of a breakup or a heartbreak situation here. I might be feeling that ending of a relationship here. Okay, why is the Three of Swords here? Because of Emperor, which means that there is somebody who is very strong and very decisive and who's thinking about taking strength. All right, being very strong, and maybe somebody is going to give you an advice. This can also be an Aries, which is like you might be breaking up with an Aries, or you are trying to be strong after this breakup. Let's see why is the Emperor here with the Three of Swords. Because definitely Five of Wands here, which means that there's some kind of competition or struggle going on within you. I really feel that you're trying. Let's see what's in your immediate past. The Page of Wands. You might have got an offer from a Wands energy, Fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. This might be a new passionate start to a new job. These are messages. This can be a message from somebody who feel that they can give you some kind of a passionate start or a passionate offer. Okay, let's see why is the Page of Wands. So clarify the Page of Wands. Eight of Pentacles coming out, saying that there is some kind of, Seven of Pentacles coming out, bringing some kind of clarity into a situation. You might be feeling that there is not enough growth, or you're looking forward some kind of growth here. Okay. Now, why is the Seven of Pentacles here? Clarify this. So, why is the Seven of Pentacles here? Because of Six of Swords here, which means that you're moving on from this place or situation where there wasn't enough growth. I feel that you were waiting for some kind of growth and which wasn't happening. So, I really feel that you're moving forward. Okay, I really feel that you're letting go and you're moving forward to something better. Now, let's see what's in your immediate future. This is a Five of Swords energy, which means that there's some kind of stress here. You might be stressing on a situation which is not working towards you. This might be even multiple thoughts going in your head which is stressing you at the moment. So why is the Five of Swords here? Because of the Hermit, which means that you are thinking a lot. You are going through solitude. You are trying to put things into perspective. Okay, why is the Five of Swords with the Hermit here? So somebody is coming into the situation where you are being very stressed out. Somebody is coming to give you an offer. This is a Knight's energy. Knight energy is a fast-moving energy, and it is a passionate new beginning or a passionate message coming towards you regarding the situation, which means that you're stressed out and somebody is coming into with some kind of message here. Let's see what your energy is. The Moon, which means that there are changes here. You are looking towards some kind of changes. Let's see why is Moon here. What you are looking for is an equal give and take situation here. which means that in the previous situation in a relationship or a job, you were not unable to get this kind of a situation, which is an equal give and take. So you are looking for a job where, or a situation where you're feeling like you can equally participate in the giving and taking, or you're getting enough what you're making. So there are definitely messages coming towards you. There's an incoming energy here, fast moving energy, fire energy, can Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy here, which is bringing some kind of movement into some kind of stability or some kind of change into your current situation. Okay, now what's the environment like? Four of Swords, which means that you're taking time to think over your things, or you might be um, thinking over the past and what has happened and what you want to do in the future. You're taking your time, you're not doing anything. This might be even about a love offer, or I really feel that's mostly about a job you're concerned about here. Now, why is this Four of Swords here? Yeah, there's an offer coming towards you. This might be from a water sign, or this might be a job offer or an offer of love. You are not taking it because you're being very stubborn, or you are being lost in this thoughts process. Because I think you're missing something here, or you are very stubborn and you're not taking it. There's a divinely guided offer coming towards you. Okay. Yeah, because there's celebration. So this will lead to celebration, or your thought process, or you're not taking this offer, and what you're there's some kind of success or celebration coming towards you. So you know what you want and you're going. I really feel that you know what you want and you're going for it. Why is the Four of Cups and the Three of Cups is coming in? Yeah, you're starting on a new journey. Definitely, you're moving on and you're starting on a new journey, which is bringing some kind of happiness and stability into your life. Now, what is the guidance here? Clarify the guidance. Okay. Knight of Swords, which means that somebody is moving towards you with their thoughts, and this is a really thought process. This means Aquarius, Gemini, Libran energy, which means that somebody is moving fast towards you, bringing some kind of clarity of thoughts here. Why is the Knight of Swords here? So this might be somebody who's bringing an emotional stability, somebody who's very stable. This might be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, which might be your energy as well. This means that you are getting some kind of clarity into your emotional situation, and you feel that you are capable of being loving, caring, and emotionally abundant here. Why is the King of Cups with the Knight of Swords here? Yeah, there is some kind of past relationship, or you might be thinking about somebody from the past, or there's some nostalgia here. So you might be opening to. I really feel that somebody is coming from your past, bringing this kind of stability into your life here. All right, now let's see what's the overall. Ten of Cups, wish fulfillment, happy life card here, which means that there is this person who is coming towards you. There is somebody coming back into your life. Okay, we're bringing that stability and love and stability, emotional love stability into your life. So I really feel that you have been missing a part of yourself because of this person being away from you. Let's see, why is the Ten of Cups? You clarify the Ten of Cups. Yeah, you're working on, somebody's working on being better in all aspects of life. I really felt like somebody's working on themselves a lot. Yeah, bringing this stability here. So somebody's bringing this, somebody's working towards this change, this completion, because somebody's being very patient and trying to take things at a time, working on their skills and bringing some kind of stability into your life. Let's see, why is the Eight of Pentacles with the Ten of Pentacles here? Because there is something new. You're birthing some new idea, or even a child. This might be some new idea or a birthing of a child. With the Empress card, you means that you're taking on your life in a new positive way. We have both the Emperor and the Empress in this right here, which means that whatever you're taking the courage, you're being courageous, you're taking your energy, and you're handling your situation in a powerful way. So does the Empress coming in saying that there are new beginnings. So whatever you're working towards is for a fruitful completion here. Okay, let's see what is the guidance messages for you guys here. What are the guidance messages for Cancer? Guidance messages for Cancer. What are the guidance messages for Cancer? Guidance messages for Cancer. Let's go. Moon energy. This is all about intuition. You need to work on your intuition. Understand that intuition will never lead you astray. Okay. The next card is friendship, which means that this is the time you will get to know who your real friends are, who will support you and who are going to be with you every step of your life. Okay. Now, wisdom. Be wise while making choices, and I really feel that you need to think through while you're making a decision, right? Don't jump to conclusions. Think intuitively, understand what your situation is, and then move forward. Okay? Life energy. There is abundance coming towards you, which means that whatever you are putting your intention, whatever your intention is coming, whatever your intention you are putting into manifestation, that is coming towards you, which means that there is light in your life and there is happiness coming towards you. So looks like August is going to be where you're this is a transition stage from being scared and worried to complete success and stability here. So I think this is a transition period for you guys. So manifest, um, put your intuition for something which is really above you, which feels that you cannot get it. So that is coming into process, that is coming in your way, that is coming towards you. So whatever you're manifesting is coming towards you. I really don't find anything negative here. There are some kind of thought process going on, but it all coming towards very much of good ending. So it looks like a really good month for you guys. You will get clarity in this month, where you're going, what you're doing, what's coming towards you, where you're standing, what is going to happen to you. So everything will come towards in August. So looking forward to August, guys. I really wish you all the best. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. All the information is given below, and thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.